First thing you want to do is start your vehicle and then turn your AC unit up as high as it goes, meaning as fast as the fan will blow and then as cold as it will blow using recirculation here. You can see that picture right there. Our temperature as low as it can possibly go, like we can see here. We want to get the AC compressor pumping so that when we pump it up, we're getting it all in. Next, you want to locate the low pressure valve here, which is going to be right here on this vehicle. You can see the L marking here. You don't want to grab this one, which is the high. You're going to grab that low pressure one there and go ahead and take the cap off. And be careful if you have a car that the engine is, or the spinning parts are right next to the cap. All right, go ahead and take it off. Put it in your pocket or somewhere safe. Now we're going to go ahead and attach this fitting onto our fitting. You can see it's nice and secure there. And now we'll go ahead and pump up. We'll hold this trigger down. Let it run for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then we'll see what it says here on the dial. We want to get it to the green area between like 30, 40, and 50. Again, holding this thing down. You see they're just above 30. We'll keep holding it here. You can give it a shake to help move it through. You can see that we're getting close to 40. Keep shaking it. Well, look at that, we're almost at 40. We're gonna go to a 40 here, so keep shaking it. Oh, that's good enough right there. Perfect. That's all you got to do. Go ahead and pop the valve cover, the valve off, and put your cap back on. You're all done.